All right, we are back with Cone Health's Chief Pharmacy Officer, Dr. DeAnne Brooks. She's answering your COVID vaccine questions by text. This question says, if I've had COVID, why should I get a shot? Isn't there natural immunity?
There is natural immunity from getting the disease, and there's better immunity that has been proven when you also get the vaccine as well. So it is recommended that anyone who has had COVID-19 that they also receive the full series of the vaccine.
This person is asking, can I get a mammogram 2 weeks after my Moderna booster? And for those people who are wondering why they're asking, can you explain a little bit about what those lymph nodes can possibly do?
Yeah, so sometimes when we get, really you could get any vaccine, but it has been shown with the COVID-19 vaccine, you might get an inflammation or a swelling of your lymph nodes, and getting your mammogram too soon after that, it might indicate that there's something going on there. And so what I would do is just ask whoever it is that's going to give your mammogram if it's okay or too soon for you to get your mammogram, depending on the date that you received your vaccine.
This person says, had my booster 2.5 weeks ago. I still have a bruise on my arm. Is this normal?
Yeah, so everybody's a little bit different in their response within their own individual bodies, and sometimes bruising after an injection can continue for a couple of weeks. I would say if it continues on much longer than that, I would certainly seek the advice of your healthcare provider.
This next text question is, how often do you have to get the booster shot? Is it going to be every couple of months?
So we don't know that just yet, and as we are continuing to learn more about this new disease, we're constantly studying and looking at the data, and we just don't know the answer to that yet, but we're continuing to study it.
Okay, this person is asking, I've had the first Moderna shot, but I don't intend on getting the second one. Convince me to proceed with full vaccination.
Oh, wow. So that's going to be hard to do in an answer on a television interview. But I will tell you that you will have more immunity if you go ahead and get your second dose of your vaccine. You'll have full immunity then. And only then can we be sure that you're 90% protected from getting hospitalized and having serious illness. Our data, you can look on our website and you can see the number of people who are hospitalized with COVID-19, and we actually show how many are vaccinated, how many are unvaccinated, and it's really striking to see that. So I would also ask that you speak with a trusted health advisor if I have not done my job of convincing you right now.
Well, no, I mean, they may also have, a doctor that they've known for decades and decades. And so that would be a good person for them to sit and talk with at length. Like you said, you can only answer for so long on TV. All right, this person is asking, what is this COVID wellness pill pack that some pharmacies are offering to build up my immune system? Is it as good as the vaccine?
So I don't know exactly what is in a pill pack that might be being sold right now, but I do know that I have seen no studies on it, and that the COVID-19 vaccine has been studied on hundreds of thousands of people and given to, in the United States now, almost 500 million people, and I'm just not familiar with what's in that.
All right, quickly, this person says, how do we know our children won't have some adverse effect years from now?
Yeah, so we've been studying this, and typically, and with vaccines, we don't see adverse effects a long time after getting the vaccine. And so that's, I would, again, if you have any concerns, speak with your pediatrician about that.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time and your expertise. We so appreciate that, being able to ask our question and get it answered in real time. If you missed any of this, you can find the information on our website, WFNYnews2.com.